How would you pronounce this sign? If you said ye olde shop, you're an idiot. I'm joking. We're going to talk about it. So let's start with the oldie. You probably know that this is supposed to be pronounced old, but why is there an E on it? And the short answer is because it looks kind of cool, it looks old, it looks kind of Middle Englishy, even though English never really spelt old this way. There is a form ALDE, and you might have also seen OLE, but not OLDE. The ye is where things get interesting because there is an older English word ye, which you've probably encountered in the Christmas carol, God rest ye merry gentlemen, which just means, it means you. God rest you merry gentlemen. But that sign obviously does not mean you old shop. That makes no sense. I think everyone knows that that sign is supposed to say the old shop. So does that mean that people used to pronounce the as ye? No. In order to understand why that sign spells the as Y-E, we first need to learn about the English alphabet, specifically that it didn't always used to have 26 letters. We used to have a letter thorn, which was pronounced the same way that we currently pronounce TH. And this is the letter that was used to spell the word the. But a thorn is not a Y, so how do we get to the Y? And we can blame the printing press, because the printing press is a German invention, and German does not have the letter thorn. So when printing presses were imported over to England, they had to find a substitute for the thorn, and they chose the letter Y. So fast forward to a time when English no longer uses the thorn, people have forgotten that the thorn exists, they see these old texts with the Y in place of the thorn, and just naturally assume it's supposed to be pronounced ye. But it's not.